Road Hard Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. They do media blasting, powder coating, big or small, they do it all. Tell them the Road Hard Roadhouse sent you. Today on the Road Hard Roadhouse, we're going to open up a box of Dura-Block sanding blocks. Let's get this thing started. They're supposed to be best on the market. We'll see. All right, got these in about, I got them early, so they took less than a week to get them. I think these came in from Illinois, so these didn't take all that long to get. I'm in Missouri. All right, send me some magazines, some other type of stuff. Go ahead and bring this down for you. All right, here it is, and comes with some instructions, Dura-Blocks. Came with some soap in it, these sanding blocks. Got these round sanding blocks for areas that, I'll show you right here, like right in here. Help you get right in that little grooved area. Longer blocks for sanding flatter areas, skinnier sucker. These two, which are soft but not exceedingly soft. These are the best on the market. They smell pretty dang good. Maybe that's the soap that comes in here, but wow. I wanted to get the best. Looks like I got the best. Let me know what you think down in the comments regarding Dura-Block versus stuff you have. I'm also going to make my own set as well. Make some that are, I need a longer one. You know, I need one that's about a good, 18 to 20 inches. So, looks good. Free samples, that's what the soaps were. Dura Scrub Soap. And then it's got the orange bergamot soap and the cedar citrus soap. Kit contains these part numbers there. This is the model number AF44A. It is 1.5 inches wide almost, and by 11 inches long. This is the AF44A. It's 100% Eva rubber. This is what it looks like. 5.5 inches long. Just over 2.5 inches wide. This is the AF44. This is the AF44A. 5.25 inches long, and all these are almost just at 2.5 inches wide. There's two of these 4405s. I mentioned this round one before. It's the AF44A. just at 11 inches long, round. And the big sucker, the AF44A. It's 11 inches long and just a little bit over 2.5 inches wide. So those are the blocks that are with the kit. And they came with this orange soap. This stuff smells really good. The Dura-Scrub doesn't smell as good. This is what it is. The Cedar Citrus Soap. Whatever this is, it smells great. Yep, that's it. Cedar Citrus Soap. That's it as far as what's included in this Dura-Block kit. It's in a nice box. Keep your stuff together. If you're gonna spend good money on stuff, this was $33, I think it is. If you're gonna spend money on stuff like this, make sure that you keep it nice. Put it on its own tool chest, tool bench, in a drawer, something like that, but keep your stuff nice. You don't want to mess it up or lose it. I'm trying to get better at that myself. I've been wanting to get a good set of sanding blocks for the Nova because I'm going to plan on doing the whole entire Nova myself. So at least as far as the paint goes, the metalwork can do. Shaker Racing, Allen at Shaker Racing is going to take care of that for me. But as far as the sanding, I need to start acquiring some good tools. You're only as good as your tools. So get some good stuff, and hopefully this will be a good set for me. You'll see in later videos with the Nova how I do with these and others. Working on this Nova is wanting me to get better tools and supply my shop a little bit better. So hopefully I get that done. Thank you everybody for watching, liking, subscribing, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. Then, if you put her away wet, you're gonna need some stuff like this to get her fixed. Appreciate it. Well, that sucked.